In this video, we're going to show you how to load files selectively to save context window space in Claude Code. When working on real development projects, it's common to have large code bases with many files, modules, and dependencies. If you load too many files into Claude Code at once, the context window can fill up quickly, which reduces performance and may even lead to errors or degraded responses. This is why selective file loading is an important skill. Instead of giving Claude everything, you only provide the files that are truly relevant to the task at hand. The goal is simple: keep the context small, focused, and efficient while still giving Claude enough information to produce accurate results. The good news is that once you understand how to choose files strategically, your workflow becomes faster, cleaner, and much more stable. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to decide what to load, what to exclude, and how to structure your input for maximum efficiency. So let's get started. The first method is to identify the core problem before loading any files. Ask yourself what you're trying to achieve, whether it's debugging, adding a feature, or refactoring code. Once you understand the objective, only load files that directly relate to that task. For example, if you're fixing a UI bug, you don't need to load backend services, database configuration, or unrelated utilities. Next, focus on dependency boundaries. Start with the main file where the issue occurs, then selectively include only files that are directly imported or connected to it. This creates a minimal but sufficient context for Claude to understand the problem without overwhelming the session. Another useful method is to avoid loading entire directories unless absolutely necessary. Instead of importing full folders, pick specific files that are actively involved in the task. If needed, you can gradually add more files based on Claude's feedback instead of loading everything at the beginning. In more advanced workflows, you can also maintain a context map of your project. This is a simple reference that lists key files and their roles so you know exactly what to load for different tasks. In most situations, this selective approach is enough to dramatically reduce context usage while improving response quality. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, clearly define your task before loading any files. Second, load only files directly related to the problem or feature you're working on. And third, avoid bulk loading entire directories unless it is absolutely necessary. Remember that more context is not always better. In fact, giving Claude too much information can reduce focus and increase the chance of irrelevant or diluted responses. Selective file loading ensures that Claude stays focused on what matters most while preserving valuable context space for deeper reasoning. It also helps reduce token usage and keeps long sessions more stable and predictable. And that's how to load files selectively to save context window space in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.